The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wayne County in central North Carolina.
This thing didn't go off!
Sampson County in central North Carolina. South central Johnston County in central North Carolina until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles west of Mount Olive, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
I didn't get a notification either!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Out of nowhere!
And quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
98.1, 98.1,
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I don't know.
Locations impacted include Mount Olive, Newton Grove, Hompton, and Grantham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Olive, Newton Grove, Hompton, and Grantham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Temperatures rising into the 90s combined with high humidity will produce indices of 100 to 103 this afternoon. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside.
Oh, I turned this thing on.
Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing and drink plenty of water. The following is a special weather statement for the following.
I hear an EAS alert going on somewhere. I'm gonna turn on KML so I can get the alert.